Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fade out a video or an image in Adobe After Effects. So in order to begin, I'll import this clip as you can see right here. So what I can do to fade this clip is, first I have to go on to the opacity settings of this video. So in order to do this, I'll click on the select the video, and then I can click on the T on the keyboard, and then as you can see the opacity controls pops up. What I can do is first create a keyframe where you want the fade to start, and then you have to go to the end of the clip, and then you can decrease it to 0. And now if I play this video, as you can see the fade is right there, as you can see. So that's how we can easily fade a video or image in Adobe After Effects. You can do the same for the image as well, or you can easily copy the keyframes and paste it on any other layers to make it even simpler for you. So that's how we can easily fade out a video in Adobe After Effects. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.